Hello, our inspiration for today is the Meal Baker's Does Lemon Bites, and I'll show you how to make your own Mandazi bites at home. I promise you this is by far the easiest recipe I have made, and let me show you how it's done. To create this recipe, you'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. If you're using self-raising flour, do not add the baking powder. Mix together. Add a tablespoon of margarine or butter. You will then proceed to grate the outer part of your lemon or the outer skin to extract a tablespoon of lemon zest, as well as freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, which I have a recipe on homemade yogurt. Then you'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3/4 cups of warm milk. Gently mix together, and then you'll proceed to use your hands to knead the dough. Okay, so our next step will begin by dusting your surface with some flour. Take out your dough and roll it out into a 1/2 inch of thickness, like I've shown you. And then using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, cut the dough into small bite-sized pieces. So at this point, you have the option to either bake or fry your dough. I decided to do both in order to show you how they all turned out in the end of the video. Gently drop the dough pieces into the sizzling oil and flip them over every few minutes to ensure they evenly cook on both sides. Let them attain a nice, beautiful golden brown color. You will then proceed to remove the Mandazi bites from the oil, put them aside and let them cool. And there you have it, a simple Mandazi bites recipe that you can make at home at any time. I'm doing a comparison on the baked, fried and store-bought Mandazi bites at this point. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more easy peasy recipe that I'll be uploading. Bye.